The more I grow, the more I see the world unfolding right in front of me. There's no place to hide or a place to go. I just wanna know what the future holds. So this life keeps moving forward, or is it moving backwards? Take a step back, envision what I am after. Some people tell me no, then some people tell me yes. I'll be damned if motherfuckers try to knock down my success.
Saying shit like rapping ain't for you, you would thank me later too. I just really think that you are taking the easy way out.
Why do the closest people bring you down? When nobody around, they try to burn you to the ground. But that's my motivation, and also my frustration. I'm starting back at zero like my locker combination. Cause the most important person in my life is gone. I ask myself, was it worth it? Losing someone who was mighty perfect, never cheated, never lied. God damn, I guess I never realized, man. Damn, excuse the way I am, but I have to catch this trend before it heads to never. The more I grow, the more I see the world unfolding right in front of me. There's no place to hide or a place to go. I just wanna know what the future holds, 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 what the Look into the crystal ball, tell me what the future holds. Will I fall into some dirt or will I ball into some gold? Man, I guess it's better when the story goes untold. So keep on walking with a blindfold, bitch. And now there's people getting mad cause they see a bread boy trying to really make that bread. Boy, can't crack me open like a fucking crab. Go ahead, throw some jabs, I'll leave you knuckles full of stabs. Goddamn, I'm looking into the night sky, overlooking the sea. So windy, it's like I can fly. Better recognize my rhymes are weaponized to explode right into your earlobe. Hear that bass go low, lower than these hoes. I'm a fire-breathing dragon, spitting fire at my nose. I'm a liar, I suppose. Yeah, see, I just wanna know what the future holds. So come and tell me, yo. The more I grow, the more I see the world unfolding right in front of me. There's no place to hide or a place to go. I just wanna know what the future holds, 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 what the
Will I fall into some dirt or will I fall to some gold, to some gold, to some gold, to some gold?
The more I grow, the more I see the world unfolding right in front of me. There's no place to hide or a place to go. I just wanna know what the future holds, what the future holds, what the future holds.